Today I'll be telling you a bit more about one of the latest trends in food technology for a healthier lifestyle. Because if you're somebody like me that enjoys fried chips or fried chicken, but you know it's not the healthiest option, I might have the solution for you. Here we have the Philips Premier XXL Airfryer. Now this air fryer uses hot air to fry your favorite food with little or no added oil. The new fat removal technology is designed to capture and extract the fat from your food, making this the healthiest way to fry food for you and your family. So you get maximum taste and minimum fat. The Family XXL model fits a whole chicken or 1.4 kilogram of fries, serving you up to 6 portions. It also has a keep warm mode for a flexible serving time, making healthy living so much fun and so much easier. Get your Philips air fryer at your nearest Tafelberg Furniture's branch today.